Okay, this is called Rua da Vitória. Right there's a sign. And we're going to be going directly down that street. Give you a little context when you come back. Looks cool already, right? Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So Rua da Vitória, right there. It's a Thai restaurant here in the corner. We're going to be going directly down that way right there. I'll give you a little context before we do. But you can see a Thai restaurant right there and one that we're just at right now as well. So this area used to be known as kind of a Thai area. Maybe it still is. Rua de Brandão. It's kind of cool. This is, I filmed this street just a while ago, but it looks kind of cool because you go down like that and then you can go back up like that. So it has this kind of effect like that. But I think that street changed, that name of the street would change over there. That's how cool that is. Wow. I feel like I'm in San Francisco right now. It's a Thai restaurant in the corner. And this is that other one of Rua de Brandão. It's a sports center right there, Vasco da Gama Park. Nice little beginning of this one. Rua de Vitória. And let's go down and check it all out. You see kind of a cool looking red building. Feels a little bit out of place. It's like, wow, it's really, it's like painted. It's not painted, it's just like a red brick building. Most of them have this kind of, I don't know what that's called. Like sometimes they have like Portuguese styles. This rooftop, it's kind of so out of place within Macau. It'd be amazing if they had these all over the place. Mind blowing. Most Macau buildings look like this. This kind of caged apartments everywhere. We'll walk down further down the street, see what else we can find. But yeah, usually it looks more like that. These kind of caged apartments. There's even like a rooftop stuff up there. That's like a tin. It's like a rusty tin right there. So they'll put stuff like that up at the top. Some of these apartments. So yeah, that red one looks so out of place. It's so such a different building. A red brick building. Okay. So let's keep on heading down. Rua de Vitória. It's a Saturday morning, a little bit quiet out. I think this is the end of our street because that name is Rua de Mitra. This is kind of Rua de Colina. So this is a totally different street. This one's all going up. This one's all going down. And then this one's a different street altogether. There's Grand Lisboa Casino right there. And that's the street we're just on right there. That's just kind of Rua de Vitória. So I guess we'll just focus on our street right here. So there's a cake shop right there. Sometimes one street looks totally different when you go down it the other way. Red tile. And we're just gonna go right there to end it. So I hope you like this one. Chiquinha.